In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to learn about subsets. So, we say that a set X is a subset of a set Y if every element of X is also an element in Y. So we say X is a subset of Y. And this is how we write it. So let's go through some examples. We have A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, A is a subset of B. C is equal to A, B, C, D, and E. D is equal to A, C, E. Therefore, D is a subset of C. So all the elements of D are in C. Therefore, it's a subset. And our last example, we have E is the set of dogs, cats, and rabbits. F is the set of cats. All of the elements of F are in E. Therefore, we say F is a subset of E. So let's just look at the symbols. If something is a subset, then we use the symbol just like the cap. It's similar to the capital letter C, but just a little bit more extended like this. And if it's not a subset, then it's the same symbol, but with the line going through it. Similar to our element. So for the elements, we had this symbol. And then if we said it was not an element, it was the same symbol, but with a line through it. So let's go through some of these examples and answer true or false. We're given three different sets. A is the set A, E, I, O, and U. B is the set 1, 2, 3 continuing on to infinity. And C is the set of X where X is an even natural number. Okay, so let's look at number 1. We have A and U are subsets of A. So both of those elements are in A, so therefore it's true. 3 is not a subset of C. That is true because 3 is not an even natural number. B is a subset of C. So we have to ask ourselves, are all of the elements of B in C? They're not, so it's false. 2, 4, 6, and 8 are not subsets of C. So we have to think, are 2, 4, 6, and 8 all in C? They are, because they are all even natural numbers. Therefore, this is false. The set of integers is a subset of B. So the set of integers, the capital letter Z there, that is all positive and negative numbers. So they are all not in B. So therefore that is false. Are 1, 5, 7, and 11 subset of B? They are, so that's true. I, A, O, E, and U. All of those elements are in A, so therefore it's a subset, so we're saying true. Is C a subset of the natural numbers? So are all the elements of C in the set of natural numbers? They are, so it's true. Is C a subset of B? That's true. And 2, 3, 4, and 5 continuing to infinity, a subset of B. That's also true. So now we're going to discuss proper and improper subsets. So the number of subsets that any set will have will depend on the number of elements in the set. However, every set has 2 improper subsets, and all other subsets are called proper subsets. Okay, so the improper subsets are these. The first improper subset is the null set. So we know the symbols for the null set are the 0 with the line through it, but also the empty curly brackets, and the set itself. So we're saying if we have a set A is a subset of A. So let's work through an example. We're given the set A that contains the elements A, B, and C. We need to list the improper subsets of A. So the improper subsets are always going to be Number 1 is going to be the null set, and the second improper subset is going to be the set itself. So that's A, B, and C. Okay, part 2. Now we have to list the proper subset of A. So we have to think of all of the sets that we can make out of the set A. Okay, so I'm going to now list all of the proper subsets of A. Okay, so let's just check these. We have A is my first set. All of the elements of that set are in the set A, so therefore A just by itself is a subset, B by itself is a subset, C by itself is a subset. AB is a subset, AC is a subset, and BC is also a subset. So they are the proper subsets of A. The third question, they ask us how many elements are in A. So we'll say there are 3 elements in A. And the last question, how many subsets does A have? So we're noticing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're saying we have 8 subsets. Okay, so whenever we're asked for the subsets of a set, we have to think of the improper subsets and also the proper subsets. Okay, so for the next problem solving activity, we're given the set A, which is all of the natural numbers between 1 and 9, including 1 and 9. They ask us to write down, first of all, a subset of A with 3 elements. So I can pick any 3 elements of A, and it's going to be a subset. So I'll pick 1, 5, and 9. So all of the elements in that set are in A, so therefore it's definitely a subset. Part 2. Write down the set of even numbers in A. So there's 2, 4, 6, and 8. Part 3. The set of odd numbers in A. It's going to be 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Part 4. The set of prime numbers in A. So this is 2, 3, 7, and that's it. And then the last part, the improper subsets of A. So again, they're always going to be the same for every set. The first improper subset is going to be the null set, and the second is going to be the set itself. So we list out all of the elements in A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. For more information, visit www.PositiveMaths.ie. You can email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie and find us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.